Ooh, let me tell you about all of these 6 lipsticks from the company Newchic. I'm gonna be showing you colors number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, as well as showing you how they look. So keep on watching. Miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette and welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this review of the company Newchic, and these are their matte lipstick set. They're waterproof, they're moisturizing, and they are non-stick. So I'm gonna tell you all about them, a little bit about the company, and of course show you how all of the 6 lipsticks look swatched as well as on my lips. So keep on watching.
Why are you acting like a fool? Walking around you, it's cool. Please tell me how is this so cool? Ooh, ooh, ooh. So why you acting like a fool? Trying my best to get you. Sometimes I feel that you're just cruel. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Could you give me a sign or maybe write me a letter? I just wanna get closer to feel the heat of your sweater. But why? Why can't you just fall in love? You are what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for.
Okay, so a representative reached out to me from the company Newchic, and they wanted to send me some items to review here on my YouTube channel. Now, because I love makeup so much, and you all know that, I, of course, went on their website and picked a bunch of makeup items to review here on my channel. I'm starting with the lipsticks that they sent me. They sent me 6 matte lipsticks. They are waterproof, moisturizing, and non-stick. I have 2 of the colors that I mixed on my lips right now, but here is how they all look in the packaging, which the packaging is super cute. I love how all the lipsticks look. I'm going to tell you about each of them, which one I like the most, and show you swatches and show you the up close shots of how all the lipsticks look on my lips. So for lipstick number 1, here is how it looks swatched. This is more of like a deep nude, I want to say. It's really, really pretty. Here is how it looks on my lips. I absolutely love it. I think it's a little bit more on the pale pink nude side than an actual pink colored lipstick, but I do love it, and I think it looks so pretty. I think all the lipsticks look really pretty, and I'm definitely gonna be using them because I love nudes, pinks, mauves, and then they also have reds, and they do have the deeper berry shades, which I love too as well. All of their lipsticks are very moisturizing, and just in case prior to applying their lipsticks, I did make sure I exfoliated my lips and put on a lip balm, and then let the lip balm dry and like soak into my lips, and then put the lipstick on top, just so my lips can feel extra moisturized because they've been feeling very dry lately. I will link all of the lipsticks in the description box down below, as well as a link to their website. I highly suggest you all check them out. They do have so many different beauty items, like they have makeup, of course, but they also have clothes and bags and accessories, so I'm pretty sure you can find something on their website. They have a men's portion of the website and a women's portion of the website, as you can see here on the screen. So now let me jump into all of the lipsticks. So for lipstick number 2, it's more of a pink. Here is how it looks swatched. This one is like the really light pink that I love, and I usually put a lip gloss over it, over pretty much all of my lipsticks. Sometimes I wear them alone, but for the most part, I like to put a lip gloss over it because I feel like that also adds a moisturizing effect to my lips. So for the third one, it's like a really pale nude. This is the one that I'm using on my lips right now, and I also use used it with the second one, so I mixed these two together on my lips. I put the third one on first, and then I put the second one over top, and then put a lip gloss on. But the third one is like a really pale nude color. If you want to get more pigment out of the lipsticks, make sure you put a very light layer of foundation on top and then put the lipstick on, and that's gonna help the lipstick really pop. So that's just a piece of advice for you all. Now when we get into the next three shades, they're like red and more of the berry tone. Those are really pigmented, and I didn't really have to do a second layer or a third layer like I had to do with the first three. These are really like pigmented. I feel like the first three, they're kind of like a little bit more sheer, so you can layer more colors on top or mix the colors like I like to do. But these three, they're more pigmented and you don't really need to add more layers on top, if that makes sense. So for the four, here's how it looks swatched, and I love it. It's a nice deep shade of red. Here's how it looks on my lips. It's really pretty, and I do love red. I wear it sometimes, but I do love it. It's very bold. I feel like red is a really bold statement for the most part, and so I love to wear it with a really nude or neutral look, because then your lips are really gonna pop. Now for the other two, number 5, it looks like this, and it's more of a deep berry. Like, I'm gonna love this when September rolls around. I love wearing more berries and mauve colors once September rolls around, because I love that look for fall. I think it looks so pretty. So here is how this one looks swatched. This is color number 5, and this is how it looks on my lips. Again, it's very pigmented, so you don't really need to put 2 or 3 layers. Maybe you can put a second layer just to make sure it's really opaque, but you can get away with just 1 layer. And then I would love to pair this with like a nice lip gloss that resembles this color. I think it's gonna look super pretty. And the last color, it is a real deep purple berry kind of shade. I love this color as well for the fall time, so I can't wait for fall to come. Here's how it looks swatched, as well as up close on my lips. Overall, I loved all of the colors, but as I mentioned before, the first 3 are a little bit more, they're perfect for like an everyday natural look, and the last 3 are more of like if you're gonna hang out with your friends, or if you're going on a date or something like that. Those are really gonna pop, and those are really gonna be, I guess you could say, the main attraction. You can wear like a really toned down makeup look, some nice lashes, and then wear these lipsticks, and the lips are gonna steal the show. Like, they're really gonna pop. The last 3 are more opaque, as I mentioned. Make sure you check out Newchic's website. I will link everything in the description box down below, so click on the description box and just click on the links. Check out their matte color lipsticks. They also have liquid color lipsticks as well. And that is it. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and I really appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, me as well as my brand, the Lux Princess, and live a fun and healthy lifestyle, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified of when I upload. I try to upload Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. Thank you all so much again. Everything will be linked down below. I had fun making this video and trying on these lipsticks for you all, and I will check you all out very soon. Bye guys.